Are you ready for another adventure? Welcome to Dun Laoghaire, the ultimate hidden gem of Dublin. Think of it as a Pandora's box of endless surprises, where every street corner holds a secret waiting to be discovered. In this video, I'll give you an exclusive tour of my favorite spots, so get ready to dive deep into the charm and mystery of this historic harbour town with me. It's going to be an unforgettable journey you won't want to miss. The harbour is one of my favourite places to walk. I especially like to watch the sunset from the pier. There have been times when I took my lunch to the pier and ate to the sound of the water, watching the boats and people go by. It is very relaxing. You can walk all the way to the lighthouses on either side. It should take you some 30 minutes each way. The eastern lighthouse is larger, but both offer spectacular views of the harbour and the shoreline. To me, it feels like walking into the ocean and getting to see the town from a ship. I enjoy the solitude of the western lighthouse and the hidden gems along the eastern walk, such as the Crimea War Cannon, the bandstand, and the forgotten Boyd Monument, to those who died trying to rescue the crew of the brig Neptune during a storm in 1861. It is these details most people overlook. Bonus tip, there is a Teddy's ice cream shop under the eastern lighthouse. After exploring the piers, you should head up to George's Street Lower. This is the main street with lots of shops, cafes, restaurants, 2 shopping centres and several historical buildings. This is like walking into the past, with many of the shopfronts restored and maintained to the 1900s. The name, George's Street, was given to the whole length of the main street in the newly named Kingstown, soon after King George IV visited in 1821. In 1838, the local commissioners split the street into Upper and Lower, following the convention that Lower is the part closer to the River Liffey. In the 1880s, tracks were laid for the horse trams along the street, and these were replaced with electric trams in 1896. Walking the streets, you can get hungry, so my favorite place to eat is Hicks of Dun Laoghaire. This butcher's shop has been run by the same family since 1927, and they have a food stand outside where you can get delicious sandwiches for lunch. I recommend the Italian sausage hot dog. Sitting on the sidewalk and eating your food is like having a picnic on a colorful mosaic, where each tile represents a different flavor and every bite tells a story of the vibrant life bustling around you. On Sundays, there is a market outside the new Lexicon Library, which offers lots of food options. There is something for everyone, but I strongly recommend the pulled pork from the Good Life Food Company. This is a must for me whenever I go, and I always get the Savage Hog box, which is the biggest. The slow-roasted pulled pork comes with pan-fried potatoes, fried onions, gravy, stuffing and, for those who like it, relish. Ask for some crackling on top. My mouth is watering just thinking about it. After you eat your fill, walk George's Street Lower to the old Carnegie Library. As you stroll down the quaint streets, time seems to slow down, the leather repair shops taking you to a bygone era. The weathered facades of the buildings seem to whisper tales of generations past. From here, take one of the many small streets towards the seafront, where you might discover amazing murals, or a pub that has been there since the 1800s. Follow Harbour Road all the way back to the Eastern Pier, but now continue on to Queen's Road, past the East Pier, where you will find the recently remodeled Dun Laoghaire baths. They have a fascinating history since opening in 1843, quickly becoming a popular destination for visitors to enjoy seawater bathing. Today, the bath stand is a cherished piece of the town's heritage, a nostalgic reminder of distant times. If you spot Roger Casement's statue, don't be surprised if he looks like he's having a deep conversation with the waves. Maybe he's contemplating the mysteries of the ocean, or maybe he's just waiting for his towel to dry. Either way, it's a quirky sight that adds a touch of whimsy to the seaside scene. Queen's Road becomes Marine Parade and it will take you to Otranto Park, where you will find a little cove with calm waters. Turn left on Sandy Cove Avenue, and you will come to my favorite beach, Sandy Cove Beach, a serene sanctuary, where the gentle lapping of waves against the shore creates a soothing symphony, and the soft sand underfoot reminds you of a tropical beach. Here, the bustling world fades into the background, replaced by a serene atmosphere that invites relaxation and rejuvenation, making it the perfect escape from life's hectic pace. The 40-foot, perched on the rugged edge of Dun Laoghaire, is like a time-honored stage where nature's drama unfolds. It's a cherished amphitheater where generations have gathered to witness the spectacle of crashing waves and soaring seabirds. Whether you're diving headfirst into the bracing waters or basking in the coastal breeze, the 40-foot beckons like a siren, drawing you into its timeless tale of adventure and tradition. Since you are there, I suggest you visit the James Joyce Museum. James Joyce was a famous Irish novelist, poet and literary critic. The James Joyce Tower and Museum is a Martello Tower, where James Joyce spent 6 nights in 1904. The opening scenes of his 1922 novel, Ulysses, take place here, and the tower is a place of pilgrimage for Joyce enthusiasts, especially on Bloomsday. The tower displays some of his possessions, and the living space is set up similar to how it would have been in 1904. The architect Michael Scott built his white Art Deco house, Gera, next door in 1937, and he purchased the tower in 1954. He donated the tower to convert it to a museum. It opened to the public in 1962. Another reason to visit is that the admission is free. Since I enjoy learning of the local history, I definitely recommend stopping by. In conclusion, Dun Laoghaire is a treasure trove of hidden gems waiting to be discovered. From its quaint attractions tucked away in plain sight to the bustling transformation on weekends, there's always something new and exciting to explore. Whether it's indulging in delicious street food, immersing oneself in local culture and history, or simply enjoying the serene beauty of the pier at sunset, Dun Laoghaire never fails to captivate. These are just a few of my favorite spots in this vibrant area, which is why it holds a special place in my heart as one of the most delightful places to explore in Dublin. Like a treasure map waiting to be explored, Dun Laoghaire beckons with its hidden gems and vibrant streets. It is a seaside wonderland you won't want to miss. So tell me, what did you think of Dun Laoghaire? Is it somewhere you would go? Tell me down in the comments. If you like to take scenic walks, check out this video next. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.